Hi, hello, namaskara. This is Sachin Pinto as Super Sachin. Today's recipe is everyone's favorite, which is cake. I'll tell you, my parents used to blend it for a long time, and by evening on my birthday, they used to make a special cake. Now it is just 10 minutes work, that's it. And with very importantly, 3 ingredients. You'll not even believe it's only 3 ingredients for a cake. These are the 3 magic ingredients to make a cake. 30 biscuits, 1 spoon of Pinto and 1 cup of milk. Step 1. Adding the biscuits. Pour 1 cup of milk and 1 spoon of Pinto. Let's grind. The batter is ready and this is how it looks. Now the next step is we need to add 1 spoon of oil on the pan and brush it. Now we need to place the butter paper and brush on it with the same 1 spoon of oil. Let's not take much oil. That's it. The pan. Let's pour the batter in the pan. Garnish now with almonds and cashews. If you don't have butter paper, that's not a problem. You just put little oil on the pan like how I did, and you can put some flour like wheat flour, rice flour, maida. Take little of this dough and let's cover it completely. Dun-da-down! 10 to 15 minutes the cake is done. Let's see. Come. Looks definitely yummy and fragrance is awesome. The next session will be on the table. Let's go there. Finally, the cake is ready and I'm loving it. Today is 20th May 2020. I don't know whoever is celebrating their birthday, their anniversary. I'm cutting this cake for them. Please do join and sing along. Happy birthday to you. Congratulations and celebrations. Yes, happy birthday and happy anniversary, guys. And one very important information is this. Okay, instead of you go out taking cakes and coming back, I request you to please do prepare at home, because summer is coming and already it has come. Your kids will love it. Instead of you go out again and again get some cake, it's very easy, just 15 to 22 minutes, that's it. The cake is all ready and please do enjoy and see you guys. Stay tuned, stay safe, stay home. I'm Super Sachin. Actually, I'm Sachin Pinto as again Super Sachin. See you. Take care. Bye. Dun-da-down. What do I tell?
Start.